You're looking for the best ergonomic keyboard, but with so many options, it's easy to make a mistake. You've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you the crucial factors to consider when purchasing an ergonomic keyboard and the 5 common mistakes I see people make. Below the video, in the description, you'll also find what I believe are the best ergonomic keyboards on the market, including my top budget pick. Just click the links to check out the products and see the current prices. This will save you a ton of time you would have spent searching and researching. To help you avoid regretting your purchase, I'm now going to show you the 5 mistakes you should definitely steer clear of when buying an ergonomic keyboard. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't make these mistakes. Mistake number 1. Ignoring the keyboard layout and design. The most common mistake is buying an ergonomic keyboard without considering its specific layout and design. Ergonomic keyboards come in many forms, like split designs that separate the keys into 2 halves, or those with adjustable tenting and negative tilt to promote a more natural wrist posture. Some even feature fully separated key modules for advanced customization. A standard flat keyboard forces your wrists into an unnatural angle, which can lead to discomfort over time. Before you buy, consider if you're ready to adapt to a new layout, or if a more subtle ergonomic design, like one with a slight curve or wave, would be a better starting point for you. Now that you know how to choose the right layout, let's talk about the second mistake, which involves hand and wrist support. Mistake number 2. Skipping a quality wrist rest. Another mistake is buying a keyboard without considering the quality or presence of a wrist rest. While some ergonomic keyboards integrate a padded wrist rest, others omit it entirely or offer one that's too firm or poorly designed. A good wrist rest provides crucial support, keeping your wrists in a neutral position and reducing strain. Look for models with a soft, supportive, and preferably integrated wrist rest that aligns comfortably with your hands. If the keyboard doesn't come with one, ensure there's an option for a high-quality aftermarket wrist rest that matches its height. With proper wrist support in mind, let's move on to mistake number 3, which involves the feel of your typing experience. Mistake number 3. Choosing the wrong key switches and key travel. A common error is buying an ergonomic keyboard without paying attention to its key switches or key travel. Ergonomic keyboards are available with both membrane and mechanical switches. Mechanical switches typically offer better tactile feedback, audible clicks, or smooth linear presses, and are generally more durable. Membrane keyboards are often quieter and can be more budget-friendly. Consider if you prefer a light touch or a more tactile feel. Also, think about key travel, the distance a key moves when pressed. Some users find short travel keys more comfortable, while others prefer the traditional full travel of standard keys. Try out different switch types if possible to find what feels best for your hands and typing style. After you've checked the key switches, you need to think about how the keyboard adapts to you. This leads us to mistake number 4, neglecting adjustable features. A mistake is buying an ergonomic keyboard that lacks customizable and adjustable features. A truly effective ergonomic keyboard should adapt to your unique body and preferences, not the other way around. Look for features like adjustable tenting, which allows you to raise the center of the keyboard to reduce wrist pronation, and negative tilt, which can elevate the front of the keyboard. Programmable keys and macro support are also valuable, letting you remap keys or create shortcuts for frequently used commands. Without these adjustment options, you might not fully achieve the ergonomic benefits that can prevent discomfort. Finally, I come to the last mistake, one that can impact your keyboard's longevity and comfort over time. Mistake number 5, underestimating build quality and materials. A final mistake is not considering the keyboard's build quality and the materials it's made from. An ergonomic keyboard is an investment in your health, and a poorly constructed model can quickly wear out, with keys becoming sticky, labels fading, or the frame flexing. Look for keyboards made with durable materials, like high-grade plastics or even aluminum, and check for quality keycaps that resist shine and wear. Well-built keyboards often feature robust key switches and a stable base, ensuring they withstand hours of daily use without compromising comfort or performance. Those are the 5 most common mistakes you should avoid when buying an ergonomic keyboard. Also, below the video, in the description, you'll find what I believe are the best ergonomic keyboards on the market, including my top budget pick. Just click the links to check out the products and see the current prices. This will save you a ton of time you would have spent searching and researching. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more tips.